In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add multiple links into your Instagram bio. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin on your profile and click on Edit Profile. You'll see an option to add links. As you can see, I already have youtube.com added, but if you want to add another, just click on External Link. Where it says URL, you're going to type in whatever URL you want to add. For example, twitter.com. You can also add a title to it if you would like. Now, once you click Done, the link will be added, and you can do this up to 5 times on your Instagram profile. As you can see, I have 2 links on my Instagram page. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.